Hello there, welcome to Tangible Dreams. Today I am very excited to introduce to you Naome Akwango. Hello Naomi, you're very welcome.
Thank you so much.
How are you doing?
I'm fine.
You're okay?
Yes.
Okay, I would like for you to introduce yourself to our viewers.
Hello everyone. My name is Akwango Naomi. I am a pupil at Green Hill Primary School, Buate. I'm 12 years old.
How do you find school?
School is amazing. I love interacting with my peers, my teachers. I really love school.
You look like you do. What are some of your favorite subjects at school?
I love all subjects, but I think my favorite would be math.
Would you say you have a least favorite subject?
Not really.
Not really. It doesn't surprise me because a little buddy told me that you happen to be a what in your class, that you are top of your class. How do you manage to balance all these subjects?
At home, I have a revision timetable,
Right.
which I follow every day. I also have a booklet that has for extra work
Right.
of the different subjects, which I usually write and take to my teachers for marking. I also have a list of the different challenges I face in certain concepts that I find difficult in the different subjects.
What other co-curricular activities do you engage yourself in?
There is swimming, which I like.
Right.
I hope to get better at it. In French club, I've been able to pick up some French words,
Oh,
which I used to speak with my mom because she also learned French. There is also math contest. I enjoy working out these different, difficult, challenging numbers.
so you like to challenge yourself.
Yes.
Interesting. Do you think the ability to win is an art or is it something you have trained yourself to be?
I think it's something you train yourself to be, something you push yourself to achieve it.
We are going to go into a session of me and my culture. What tribe are you, Naomi?
I am a Nitisu.
Can you speak a Teso?
I'm not very fluent.
Okay, then, so you just greet us in Ataso.
Okay, so, okay. Yoga Kere, Eka Kira, Ke Akwango, Naomi.
All right, that's perfect. We do get into another segment called the Parents Don't Get. Now, this segment is where we get feedback from children like yourself and your peers if you have heard of anything that children say, oh, I wish parents could understand this. Is there anything like that?
Yes, actually.
Yeah.
I've had friends who have tried violin, but they come for 1 year, then they're out the next year or the next term.
Right.
Why their parents think it interferes with their learning schedules, it will reduce their performance in class.
Right.
So I often tell them that you need to encourage them, you have to show them.
Yeah. You think that the children should encourage their parents or the parents should encourage the children?
They have to encourage each other.
They have to encourage each other.
Yes.
So from your point of view, they shouldn't drop out.
They
can
shouldn't.
do both of these things and do them perfectly.
Yes.
I think this is the moment that I will leave you to give us a sample of your favorite piece of violin.
Okay.
All right?
Yeah. This piece I'm playing is called Ode to Joy, Beethoven's Ninth Symphony.
That's amazing. All right, now I would like for you to leave a piece of advice to your peers on exactly how to balance their time and to assure them that they can win at anything they choose to do. It doesn't have to be one thing because you have proved that notion right.
First, you should put God first.
Right.
God is the answer to all your problems. No matter what you do, without God, it can't happen.
That's correct.
Second, we need to respect our parents. because they will only encourage us if we show that we can respect them. Next, we have to follow our dreams. Never give up. Once you set your heart to something, you must push forward till you get there. There might be a few setbacks, a few challenges, ups and downs, but it's all part of the process. Yeah.
Thank you so much for seeing us today, Naomi. Our viewers, we never take you for granted. We thank you so much for your time. Do encourage the young people to tune in so they can keep abreast with their peers, what challenges, what achievements they have registered, and maybe then they will be inspired to tap into their own passions to definitely achieve their dreams. Until next time, I've been Rita Sent. Bye-bye.